Hey, Reggie.
Hey, you two. Hey, reading buddies.
Oh, were you working on the Happy Camper? Is the exhaust exhausted?
Dusty, Dusty, Dusty.
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
Sorry, Alphabot. Dusty, let's take a look under the hood. Wowie zowie! Her battery is drained. Hey, will you help us charge Alphabot's batteries? We can do it! Okay, for every sound we hear in the word, we have to press a button. After a few rounds, Alphabot will be fully charged. Let's get to work.
Jump. The word is jump. How many sounds do you hear in j, a, m, p? 4? J, a, m, p. Jump.
Great job, buddies.
Jog. The word is jog. How many sounds are in j, og?
3.
3? J, og. Jog. Jelly. The word is jelly. How many sounds are in jelly? 4. Jelly. Jelly. Lunge. The word is lunge. How many sounds are in the word lunge? 4? Let's see. Lunge. Lunge.
She's fully charged. Great work, reading buddies. That'll be 10 cents, Dusty.
10 cents towards the Get Reggie to Space Camp Fund. Thanks, Reggie.
Aw, thanks, Dust.